After devastating floods hit Kerr County over the holiday weekend, restaurants across East Texas are found a way to give back. Today, every Texas location of Texas Roadhouse and Bubba's 33 donated 100% of their profits to the Kerr County Flood Relief Fund. That means everything earned from lunch to dinner is going directly to families trying to recover. At the Texas Roadhouse in Tyler, Tristan Nacco says the goal was simple: help however they can.
Everything is already hard in life. The least that we can do is help a neighbor out. Providing a warm meal, maybe giving them a shower, or providing clothes that they might not have for their children or even for themselves. The biggest thing is if we can give back on those little things, it's going to really help out with the bigger picture about getting back on our feet.
And while it may seem like a small gesture, employees say that they hope it sends a bigger message that Texans always take care of each other.